What's going on YouTube? It is me once again. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to find brands to resell for on your Shopify store with this dropshipping model. In case you don't know me, I am Tyler. I'm a college student, 20 years old, and I made $23,000 in just under 9 months on my Shopify store. I'll put a screenshot up here so you guys can see that. Now, before we get started, I want to make sure that you guys know I have a Discord server. So if you're interested in Shopify and learning how to start, make sure you join that Discord server. The link is going to be in the comments. Without further ado, let's get straight into it. So first things first, I want you guys to know that we do not use the traditional dropshipping model where we sell AliExpress items that we get for cheap and then like just bring them over to the US. We do not do that. It's poor shipping time, poor quality items. So it's just this whole thing that makes things a lot harder for you. Now, what you really want to do instead is you want to target suppliers that actually have brands. All right, so you want a brand, a positively looked at brand that is either American or Canadian if you're in the United States or in Canada. Now, let's say you wanted to sell mattresses, correct? Let's just say you wanted to sell mattresses. So we're gonna look up mattress, right? And we're gonna see what comes up. So we've got Sleepy, we've got Beauty Rest. Let's see what else. Blah, 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 blah. We've got Sealy, we got Serta. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna look up one of these brands, and as you guys can see, I already did some research onto Sealy just for the sake of this video and this example to make sure that you guys understood what I was talking about. So if I was really trying to sell mattresses, then I would look up Sealy mattress, and we're gonna see what kind of stores sell this brand's mattresses. We want to make sure that it's not just like Mattress Firm, for example. If Mattress Firm was the only one selling them, I would probably say stay away from it for now because it probably has super high barriers to entry and you'd probably have to run a huge store to even get access to it. But if we just take a couple scrolls down, we can see Amazon has it, Wayfair has it. That's usually a good sign because if you guys didn't know, Wayfair actually uses the same dropshipping model that I'm teaching you guys to use. And Wayfair is one of the most popular and most successful I believe it's a Shopify store. I'm not sure if it's a Shopify store, so correct me on that if I'm wrong. But I believe it is a Shopify store, and if it's not, I know for a fact it is a dropshipping store. So we've got Wayfair, we've got Cocoon by Sealy, which looks like it's made by the actual Sealy brand. We've got Value City Furniture. Let's see, Raymore, blah, 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 blah. We've got all these places. So this is a good sign because we're seeing like some smaller stores. Look at that, small business. So that means that you would most likely have access to Sealy. Now, I wanted to take a look at this store right here. So this store is called Slumberland Furniture. All right, so this is a store that I would look at and I would say, oh yeah, this is definitely one of my competitors. As you can see, they have 2,000 ratings, which is high, but not too high to the fact where they have access to many things that you don't have access to. So I would look at this store and I would think, okay, I probably want my store to look something like this, views. So anyway, let's get back to the point. I'm just trying to get you guys in the mindset of what you should be thinking when you're starting a store under this model. You should be going out, finding competitors and sort of faking it till you make it. So see what your competitors are doing, try to understand what they're doing and replicate it. Don't reinvent the wheel. You never want to reinvent the wheel. That's how you waste so much time learning things that your competitors have already learned and they already have it here for you. So yes, as you can see, this would be a good example of a good brand of mattress to sell. So the first thing you would want to do after you establish that it is a good mattress to sell is you want to go on Google, you want to look up Sealy mattress contact number. Boom, we have a phone number right here. So what I would do is I would call this phone number or this one. I think this one would be better. This is more so just a location thing, but call this number, even if it's customer service. You're going to call them and you're going to say, hi, my name is Tyler. I might have reached out to the wrong department, but I'm the owner of an online store and we sell bedroom furniture. And we were wondering how we could become an authorized dealer or an authorized reseller of your products. Now, they're going to either do one of three things. Number one, they're going to turn you down. They're going to say, oh, we don't handle people that don't have an in-person warehouse or don't have an in-person store. That's fine. You just go out, you find the next brand, you do that again. Number two, they'll say yes right on the spot, which rarely happens, but they might say yes right on the spot and then they get you set up, they send you whatever you need. Number three, they're going to say, oh, you need to email this person or you need to contact this person. They're going to send you on like a little goose chase. but don't let that scare you from what you are trying to do. But yeah, guys, I understand this was a short video. I just wanted to give a quick little tutorial on how you can find brands to resell for. Keep in mind that we are not using AliExpress or any general suppliers like that. We are only talking about brands that are either American or Canadian and are somewhat well known, but not too well known to where your profit margins are going to be bad, or there's going to be too much competition, oversaturation, that type of thing. If you guys want to learn more about Shopify, about what I do on Shopify, how I got to where I am, make sure you join the Discord server. We have 75 members right now. We're trying to get to 100 members. So make sure you join that. The link is going to be in the comments. Make sure you like this video, subscribe, and until next time, let's grow together.